Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is just a quick video to talk about the fact that I moved my main gaming machine to the beta version of Windows 11. First as an experiment, and to also talk about it so you guys know how well it went and how it actually works. And of course, because I'll be changing which machines are going to do Windows 10 videos and Windows 11 videos and so on. So the install went quite well and was very fast. From Windows 10 to Windows 11, it took probably on this machine in the order of maybe 25 minutes to 30 minutes. And I was up there. Then of course I went to the Microsoft Store so that it updates all the core apps of the computer, so to make sure that everything is there and is there and is working well. I've had no problems, no errors, nothing. It's very fast, very crisp. Everything I ask, everything I do is extremely fast. Have not had any issues, and it's honestly very nice. The gaming side, this is where I was a little worried, because I've seen a lot of comments of people saying that gamers particularly saying that they had slowdowns and stuttering of gaming. And I've actually played, I didn't play a lot. I'll have of course a much bigger picture of how well it goes within a few days. But I've played a couple of games for about half an hour to see how it goes. I also have some graphic demos that run and use a lot of graphics power on my graphics processor here on this gaming laptop. I've had no problems. Honestly, it's been working well, and all the software that I've had is still there. Everything worked great, and all the functionalities seem to be working perfectly, including the widgets here. That is something that I'll be playing around and customizing. But overall, right now, I'm pleased with the performance. Of course, I chose the beta channel. The reason for beta channel is because once the official version is out, I want to stay where I am at. So I went to, of course, the beta channel and in the Insider program. And of course, I made sure that in the settings that I unenroll the device when the next version is released, which means when this becomes the official version of Windows 11, I'll be in the official version of Windows 11 rather than staying in the Insider program. Like I said, everything seems to be running well. It's very fast, it's very smooth. The transitions are great. Been having fun, and I've seen a few changes and a few differences here. I've noticed, for example, that some of the options when I click are multiple compared to what I had on the other machine. It has to do with hardware. The different hardware also will enable different features that some machines have and others don't. But overall, I've been having a pretty good experience right now. So, of course, if anything goes through or if I have anything to add, I'll be talking about it. But it gives you an idea that it's a pretty stable operating system right now for Windows 11. And don't worry, guys. I've not installed this because I'll be just doing Windows 11. I'll be doing mostly Windows 10 videos with some Windows 11 videos mixed in as the time goes by. I will not abandon Windows 10. That I can promise. So, so my first experience is pretty good and running pretty well. So some people, sometimes want to know, well, if you move on your main machine, which I don't recommend, by the way, let me do these experiments. I'm the guy that does the experiments so I can talk about it so that you don't have to do it. But I don't recommend, but if you do, bring a machine to the beta channel, seems to work well and be pretty good. The rollout is pretty nice. And of course, it's more of a cumulative update, so it's not like a big install of Windows like we used to have with Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.